If your Daikin AC suddenly stopped making that familiar beep sound when you press the buttons on the remote, it can feel like something's seriously wrong. But the good news is this issue is usually simple to fix and you can troubleshoot it in just a few minutes. The first and most common reason is that the sound setting is turned off or the volume is turned way down. Turn on your AC and grab the remote. Press the menu button and use the arrow keys to navigate until you see an option related to sound settings or button tone. Once you're inside that menu, check if the sound is muted or if the volume slider is set really low. If it is, increase the volume and press OK to confirm. A lot of people fix the problem right here without realizing their AC was simply muted. If the sound settings look normal, but you still don't hear anything, try giving the AC a soft reset. Turn the unit off, unplug it from the wall, and wait around 5 minutes. This brief break allows the internal components to clear out any temporary glitches that might be affecting the audio. Once the time is up, plug it back in, turn it on, and test the remote again to see if the beep returns. Another thing to check is the remote control itself. Weak batteries can cause the remote to send a weak signal or no signal at all, which makes the unit respond inconsistently. Replace the batteries with fresh ones and make sure you're pointing the remote directly toward the AC. Also check that nothing is blocking the sensor on the unit, like curtains, furniture, or dust buildup. If you try all of this and the beep still doesn't come back, you can test the AC using a universal remote to see if the sound works with a different controller. If the universal remote works, your original remote is likely faulty and may need replacing. If neither remote triggers the beep, contacting Daikin support is your next best option since the internal sound component may need professional attention. With these quick checks, you should be able to get your Daikin AC's beep sound working again without any stress.